In this brief video, we are presenting some more tips to help you in your use of NCSS. In NCSS, a file that stores all the selections, settings, and values of a procedure before it is run is called a template or a template file. Templates are often useful for replicating runs in NCSS or keeping a set of settings available for future runs. You can save the procedure settings as a template by going to the File menu of the procedure and clicking on Save Template As. The extension of the template file is the letter T followed by the procedure number. You can open a previously saved template file by going to the File menu and clicking on Open Template. The current settings of the procedure will be replaced by the template settings in the file. Sometimes it is useful, particularly in the more complex procedures, to return all the parameters and settings of the procedure to the default values. This is done by clicking the Reset button at the top left of the procedure window. Or equivalently, you can go to the File menu and click New Template Reset. You may wish to save the current template before doing this, as all the settings and values will be replaced. The probability calculator tool can be very handy for quickly obtaining distribution probabilities or values. It often saves the user from needing to look up values in a probability table. The probability calculator tool can be accessed from the Tools menu of any of the main windows. For most of the probability distributions, the user can calculate either the probability from a value or the value from a probability. The saving and opening of procedure templates is discussed elsewhere. If you wish to automatically save the settings of a procedure every time the procedure is run, you can use the Autosave feature. To turn on Autosave, go to the File menu of any NCSS procedure and select Autosave Procedure Settings. From this point forward, unless Autosave is turned off again, the procedure settings from every procedure run from every procedure will be saved as a template. To open an auto-saved template, you can go to the File menu and select Recent. You can also go to File and select Open Template, or you can go to File, then Options, and select the Folders tab on the System Options window that appears. From there, you can view, open, and change the autosave folder.